In this video, I will show you how to register an account on the DSJ platform using the DSJ CC website on your mobile phone. This guide is made for complete beginners, so just follow each step carefully. First, unlock your phone and open your web browser, such as Chrome or Safari. In the address bar, type DSJEX and press enter. Wait for the website to load completely. Always double-check the spelling of the website to make sure you are on the correct page. Once the home page opens, look for a button that says Register, Sign Up, or Create Account. This button is usually at the top right corner or in the center of the screen. Tap on it to open the registration form. You will now see several fields that need to be filled in. Start by entering your mobile number or email address, depending on what the platform asks for. Make sure you use details that you have access to, because you may receive a verification code. Next, create a password. Choose a strong password that includes letters and numbers. Avoid very simple passwords like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or your name. After entering your password, you may be asked to type it again to confirm. Some accounts on DSJ may require an invitation code or referral code. If you have one, enter it in the box provided. If you do not have a code, check if the field is optional. If it is required, you will need to get a valid code from an existing user. After filling in your details, tap on Send Code or Get Code if you see that option. Check your SMS messages or email inbox for the verification code. Copy the code and enter it into the verification field on the registration page. You may also see a checkbox to agree to the terms and conditions. Tap the checkbox to continue. It is a good idea to read the terms briefly so you understand the rules of the platform. Once everything is filled in correctly, tap the Register or Sign Up button. If all information is correct, your account will be created and you may be logged in automatically, or you might be asked to log in using your new details. After logging in, you will be taken to your dashboard where you can see your account information and other options inside the platform. Always be careful while signing up on any financial or investment-related website. Use strong passwords and never share your login details with anyone. That's it for this step-by-step DSJ registration tutorial on mobile. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.